In this video I will show you Photoshop poster background design in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Select the black color and press OK. Create a new layer. Now we will select the Gradient tool. Click to edit the gradient. Follow these settings and press OK. Now we will drag it upwards. Right-click and choose the Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Liquify. On the pin edge, follow the steps. Liquify tool use. Press OK. Go to Filter, Noise and choose Add Noise. Follow these settings and press OK. Unhide the text. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.